Hi there, just a quick video to demonstrate my skills for analphabetic people. I do work a lot with people who can't read and write in my daily life, and one of the main things that they have to do when they work for me is repackaging of sweets. The main problem with that is that they can't read, and that most foodstuff is repackaged by a certain weight, so they really need to be able to read scales if they want to do repackaging. So I decided to build this little device where the weight is indicated by three status LEDs. Green meaning the weight is okay, red meaning the weight is too low, and yellow meaning that the weight is too high. This little device is connected to the scales via a serial connection. Let me connect it now. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So it's still needed that someone can read and write to set the device. So most of the time a foreman will program the device for the other people. On the top line of the LCD you can see the desired weight, and then there is an option of a certain percentage underweight and a certain percentage overweight. So normally we won't repackage things with underweight, but it's often needed to have a certain amount of overweight, as sweets have a certain weight of themselves and it's not always possible to get exactly the desired weight. All the setup is done via this rotary encoder. So by pushing you enter the setup weight, it's in Dutch because I live in Holland, but it says setup weight, and by rotating the rotary encoder you can set it. So let's set it to 120 grams with an overweight of maximum 5%, okay, and an underweight of maximum 0%, okay. So let me put something on the scale. Okay, you will see the device here on the second line gives the weight that it receives from the scales here. So this is too low, the red light is glowing, so let's add some more weight, and now the green light comes on. The weight of the stuff on the scale is 125 grams. That's actually 5 grams more than the 120 desired, but we had set it up that it could have a 5% overweight, so that's no problem. If we put more stuff on the scale now, scales, then you will see that the yellow LED goes on because there is too much weight on it. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration of how it works. In the Instructable there is a step where I describe how the data transfer is done between the scales and the device. Basically every time that the weight changes on the scales, it sends an 18 bytes data block through the serial connection to this device. Inside is a netmega 8 that buffers those bytes and then translate them into useful bits and bytes that we can use to do the calculations for the LEDs. Okay, I used it in this way. I can understand if you find this Instructable, you're probably able to read and write yourself, so this project would make not much sense to you, but you can use it for any kinds of things. Once you You can transfer once you can transfer the data to another device, you can build automatic filling machines or other automated stuff with it. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I hope that you enjoyed reading my Instructable. Thank you.